In the world, next to Africa, India has the largest concentration of tribals. They are generally called the Adivasi, implying original inhabitants. Among the tribals, Godaba tribes are found in Andhra Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, and mostly in the state of Orissa. Orissa has the second largest tribal population in India. There are 62 tribes, including 12 identified primitive groups in the state. In Orissa, they are concentrated in the district of Koraput. The Godaba tribe live in a distinct geographical situation, mostly defined by the network of hills and forests. Transportation is rendered difficult in these remote areas of the Godaba settlement in the district of Koraput. This is a Godaba settlement. The Godabas are one of the major tribes in Orissa. The Godabas are also called by different names like Perenga Godaba, Bondo Godaba, and Bondo Koroja. Orissa is home to more than 60,000 Godabas. The Constitution provides various safeguards to the tribal people. Some of them are Article 14, Equality before law. Article 15, Clause 4, promotion of socio-economic and educational interests. Article 19, Clause 5, safeguard of tribal interests in property. Article 338, National Commission for Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribe, and many other safeguards to the tribal people. The Godabas congregate regularly to discuss the affairs of their village. The Godabas are classified as Mundari or Kolarian on linguistic grounds. The Godabas have a dialect of their own. This dialect is included in the Munda linguistic family and is called Gutab. The Godaba settlements are isolated sites located at mountain footplains, hilltops, riverside. The village is usually small in size. Nowadays, the traditional circular thatched mud houses have been replaced by ordinary-looking village houses. The Gazetteer bears testimony. A Godaba house is colorfully painted. Bamboos and rocks are used to make a robust boundary wall. Generally, the Godaba men wear dhoti and cover the upper portion of the body with vests and shirts. The women wear a simple printed sari. The sari is worn with a knot. Agriculture is the primary activity of the Godabas. Cultivation of rice grain, ulsi, horse gram, black gram, pearl millets, and suan is practiced. Roots like bulbous roots called konda are of importance. Maize, brinjal, chili, cabbage, and tomatoes are produced for consumption and trade. Chatodi, a headgear, and tarla are religiously worn during agricultural fieldwork. The kitchen is usually placed outside the main living premises. Godabas use dry wood from the forest as fuel wood. The diet consists of rice and mandia, millets. Pendam is an intoxicating drink the Godabas cherish. The pendam is prepared by fermentation of dried cakes or paraboiled cereals and roots. Halia is a drink prepared by fermentation of cashew flour. Salap is an extract of a tree. It's used as a drink on festive occasions. Dumni, a kitchenware, is made from dried pumpkin shell. A special compartment underneath the roof called attu is used as a store. A staircase leads to the attu. In every Godaba home is found a wooden pillar at the center that is of religious importance. It represents the mother goddess and forefathers. Ancestor worship is practiced. For grinding purposes, the Godabas use grinding stones and heavy logs of wood. Livestock like cows, buffaloes, pigs, goats, drakes, and poultry supplement their primary agricultural economy. Godabas pray for the well-being of their cattle. Food gathering is a major activity of the Godabas. Mangoes, jackfruit, cashew, and roots are collected from the forest for daily use and barter. Harvesting time is a joyous occasion for the Godabas. Girls bring home the new crop and religious ceremony begins. Festivals like Chaitra Parva and Pussapurnami calls for special dressing by the woman. A Kerang sari is worn. It is marked by broad stripes of red, blue and white. Kunjul is a decorative piece worn on the forehead. The Murmi, a earring worn by Godaba women, show their fondness for ornaments. These rings are about 6 inches in diameter and touch shoulders when worn in the middle of the year. The women plait their hair using a special U-shaped wooden clip called kosatang. The necklace is called kagla. Nangal are small earrings. Rangmals are beads worn around the neck. Bangles called khodu are worn till death. Tamu, dhol, tudubudi and mahuri are musical instruments used on festive occasions. Most of the Godaba festivals have 2 motives. One is religious and the other is utilitarian. Chaitra Parva and Pussapurnami are the main festivals of the Godabas. Dhemsa is the best dance among the Godaba tribes. A group of girls, all dressed in red, blue and white stripes, kerang saris, and their feet loaded with heavy chased brass anklets, swing around in a circle to the accompaniment of muffled drums. The place of Pujari, the Godaba priest, is of importance in the Godaba society. The Pujari performs sacrificial offerings to tribal deities in the naming ceremony of a newborn. In the Undi religious ceremony, poultry and eggs are sacrificed to the village deity for the welfare of the Godaba village. The Bagh Dhemsa dance follows a religious ceremony. The Godabas believe this dance pleases the village deities. Disari is the most important religious figure in a Godaba village. He has the power not only to diagnose the source of trouble and disease, but also to cure it. He is a village priest, as well as a doctor, magician, as well as a psychologist, the repository of tradition and the source of sacred knowledge. Spears, arrows, and axes are the main hunting weaponry of the Godabas. Drums and bugles are used to raise their spirit and courage. Hunting is part of tribal life and economy. Godabas go out in a procession into the forest and revel in hunting. The prize is brought back and the occasion calls for communal feast and dance. Haji Sag Dhemsa dance of the Godabas celebrates the joy of hunting. For the Godaba women, it is a way to thank the deities for the safe return of their men from the jungle. The Godaba marriage. 4 types of marriages are found among the Godabas. Poisa Mundi. The girl forcefully occupies the boy's house. Randi Jhola. Widow marriage. Udliya. Love marriage. Rai Badi or Magni. Arranged marriage. Today, the Rai Badi or arranged marriage is mostly prevalent. The marked feature of a Godaba marriage is the role of a priestess instead of a priest. The occasion of marriage calls for celebration. The dance on the joyous occasion is called the Jadiya Bali dance. The Godabas use earthen pots on occasions of marriage. The pots are made by a process of hammering using wooden hammers. The weekly market is a marked feature of the Godaba economic organization. The government has focused attention to the holistic development of the Godabas, with the opening of primary schools, hostels, residential schools. The Godabas are being educated and integrated into the mainstream Indian society without any loss of their culture. Development is perceptible. The infusion of ideas and communication brought about by radio, television, telegraph and road networks have given the Godabas a new orientation of life. On the socio-political front, the introduction of Panchayati Raj institutions have lent support to strengthening Godaba institutions and uplifting their standard of living. The Anganwadi Kendras are functioning under the panchayats constituted by the Godaba tribals. Self-help schemes have provided impetus to women entrepreneurship. Government primary health centers have been established even in remote Godaba villages. Agricultural programs adopted by Godabas are terrace cultivation for reducing soil erosion and damage, mulberry, coffee, black pepper, and murga plantations. ITDA and Panchayat Samitis worked for tribal area and village development works. Tube wells, village roads, coffee plantation, murga plantation, kaju plantation have been provided to the Godabas.
निंगनो नाउ अर्जुन पटनायक नई डेगलु नेनी गादबालक नौ बाग डेगनो कोरापुट जिला बो लमतापुर सेमलीगुड़ा पटांगी बोरीगुमा नंदपुर ये ब्लॉक नेन बो नेनु गादबालक नेन दुतु आ नेनु गादबालक खड़े हजार मुनांग डेलंग नेन नेनु गादबालक नेन जयपुर पीआईटी डे डीआरडीए कोरापुट पीआईटी डे डीआरडीए नूरी बिन बिन काम मिलेगुनी तू काम नन वो नहीं सुविधा देंगु नहीं उपकृत देंगु नहीं
The 5-year plans for the nation and for the states have provided a broad framework of planning for economic growth and development of the Godabas.